Are you stuck in the 9 to 5 grind? Are you feeling like you're just not maximizing your full potential? What if I told you that there's actually a way out? Welcome to the age of online education. Today, we're actually going to be exploring how you can break free from that traditional work-life cycle that you're sick of, and how you can actually harness your unique skills and create a thriving online education business. Let's start out with your untapped gold mine, the astonishing truth about online education. Online education is the exchange of knowledge and skills over the internet. This can range from simple how-to guides and tutorials all the way up to more comprehensive courses, coaching programs, and one-on-one mentoring. Now you might be thinking, I'm not a teacher, but here's the thing. If you have a skill or a passion or expert knowledge in a certain area, you can share that with others and make a very impressive living. So let's talk about turning the tides of your career and the actual hidden value in the online education business world. You see, online education actually offers tons of benefits for not only you, the online educator, but also the students. For educators, it actually provides an opportunity to reach a global audience, create courses on your own terms, and most importantly, to break free from the conventional 9 to 5 work site. Just imagine creating a course once and then selling it over and over and over again. It's why you'll be able to actually earn in your sleep, as you might have heard that and been like, yeah, that's not really true. Well, that's exactly how that happens. So let's talk about the first steps to freedom and you setting sail on building and creating your own online education business and selling courses online. So how do you get started? First, you want to identify your unique knowledge or skill set. This is what you'll actually be teaching to others. Next, you'll create a hybrid course, community, and online program where people can actually get the information from you. This can include video, PDF, lectures, little quizzes, any content that would actually benefit your students and help them get the end result or help them get from point A to point B. And don't worry if you're new to this, there's a lot of different platforms, tools, and there's systems that we use that make it very easy for anybody, even if you're brand new to it. Once you have it all together, then you'll launch the program and put everything inside of this platform we call Skool, S-K-O-O-L. You'll then start promoting your program and your course, welcoming new students, and you can do this from all around the world. I'll cover more about how we actually do this later, but we use specific systems and tools and workflows to create content that actually takes people from strangers to new paying students each and every day. Breaking the 9 to 5 cycle where you're getting paid by somebody else and actually getting paid by yourself and having more upside, more freedom, more everything doesn't mean that you have to invent the next big thing. You simply just need to tap into your own expertise and share it with others in an effective way. And who knows, you might actually just become the next big online educator. So here's what I want you to do next. If you're someone who wants to start getting paid for their knowledge instead of their time, I want you to start discovering the opportunities in online education and the business that you can build there. I want you to start your journey towards a more fulfilling and flexible career. If somebody can pay you right now what they're paying you because of what you know, imagine how much more you could earn if you didn't have to split it, giving half of it away to your boss or even 80% of it. Imagine if you could just get up, do what you needed to get done, and you could do that whenever you wanted to do it as long as it got done, giving you the time flexibility. Imagine you could do that from anywhere because all you would need is a laptop or just your phone and an internet connection. So I want you to start exploring more about this. Go watch this quick film that I made you. Download this free blueprint that shows you exactly how this all works. I literally break down the entire system and show you what it is, how it works, and that way you can start to see the simplicity and you can start to understand how this stuff all fits together. This will make you much more confident about this idea. You'll get more excited about getting paid for your knowledge instead of your time. You'll be excited about getting paid what you're actually worth, discovering how you can actually have more time to do the things that you enjoy. You'll also get this feeling of pride and accomplishment because you'll be teaching people something that you actually love to do, that you're actually good at, and it'll actually help them solve their problems and it'll actually help them live better lives. And there's no better feeling than that. So just remember, your knowledge has power. It's likely that you're already getting paid for it right now. You're just having a middleman in there called your boss that is telling you when you have to be where, what you have to do, and how much you can earn. I want you to start learning how this actually works and how you can profitably start sharing your knowledge starting today. Now, go watch this video and start sharpening the axe.